Hi guys, it's your girl Me-Anie here, and as you can see by the title of this video, I'm going to show you a really quick and easy way that you can measure your locks using your cell phone. Yes, so stay tuned and let me know exactly what you guys think. Be sure to go ahead and hit the subscribe button and like this video if you think it is a super easy way to measure your locks. Right, let's go watch. First thing you need to do is go onto your app store and find a ruler app. On my Android device, this is the one that I like to use in particular. Just go ahead and open that, install it down to your device. Alright, so once the app is downloaded, it looks a little something like this, and I will be using a lock from my previous set of locks just for demonstration purposes. Start by opening up the measuring field, which can be done anywhere on the screen, and place your lock all the way to the edge of the measuring field. As you can see, when I move my finger back and forth, it changes the width in both centimeters and in inches. With the lock all the way to the edge of the field and halfway down the screen, I can then go ahead and start closing that space down until I have the measurement of my lock. So here you can see my old locks were about 1/4 inch thick. From there, this allows me to pick out the perfect size jewelry for people that are ordering on my website and make sure that they get the right size every time. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you're using my website to order beads, this is the quickest and easiest way to measure your locks, or if you just want to know how thick your locks are. As you can see, the beads, they come in different sizes, so you can always shoot me a message to let me know the width of your locks just to make sure you are getting the perfect size every time. If you have any questions at all, go ahead and drop them down below, and also let me know how thick your locks are. So until next time, this is your girl Me-Anie. Remember, if the message matters, share it with someone you love. Bye.